Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, if you're running any kind of business in which people and customers have to take appointments with you to take your services, so guys, this video is for you only because here I'm about to show you an automation which will let you send the appointment confirmation messages on the WhatsApp account of your customers, and that too automatically as the booking happens. Let me show you how. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we are using book like a boss application to create a booking page. Okay, you can, in place of this you can use any other booking application as well, like you can book me. All right, so here, as and when your customer is going to take an appointment with you, here we have taken the example of dental clinic. You can see, okay, so let's suppose that you are running a dental clinic. So as your patient is going to book an appointment with you, from this book like a boss booking page, a WhatsApp message will be delivered automatically to that patient that your booking is confirmed and your booking is on this date and this time. Okay, so it will help you in saving a lot of your time and energy in manually watching the appointments and manually compiling these messages and sending to your patients. So we are going to make this happen with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skill in just few simple steps. So guys, let's dive right in and let's see how you can also make this automation. So to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as so guys, I have filled the name like this: send dental clinic appointment confirmations on WhatsApp. So after filling the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things only. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be a new booking happening from book like a boss application, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a confirmation message about that booking or appointment on WhatsApp account of the customer. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose book like a boss application, and the trigger event would be a new booking created. All right, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a Webhook URL, guys, and with the help of this you can make a connection with book like a boss application by following these instructions written here, and with the help of that Webhook connection, we are going to capture the response. This means we are going to capture the data of a demo booking that we are going to do. Let me show you first how you can make this book connection. So guys, this is my book like a boss applications dashboard, and here guys, on the left hand side panel, you will find the other settings option. Under other settings, you will find this integrations tab. Click on integrations. All right, and you will reach this page, and from here you have to scroll down and you will find this manage webhooks option here. So here you have to click on this add button. All right, and this field will open up. Here guys, you have to copy and paste this URL. So just copy this webhook URL from here, go back to book like a boss, click on add and paste the webhook URL here like this. And here you have to check this created box so that a new booking is, as and when a new booking is created from your booking page, the data of that booking will be sent to this workflow. Okay, so guys, here just check this created box. Okay, then click on add, and you can see a webhook is added here. All right, so this is and after checking this box, you can see a webhook is saved here. Okay, now you can see guys here in your workflow, as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means guys, now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means we have to do a test booking from our booking page or appointment page, and the data of that appointment will be fetched here in this response section. Let me show you guys. This is the appointment page I have created for our dental clinic named as Royal Dental Clinic. Okay, so here you can see from this calendar I can select any of these available dates. So I want to let's say I want to take up appointment with this doctor at 22nd of June at 10:30 a.m. Okay, and here I have to fill in the details of a customer, of a patient. So here I am putting the name as Rafal Najal is booking the appointment. The name of the email ID of this person is this. Alright, and here you have to put the WhatsApp number. Now click on book me, and you can see the booking has been placed. Okay, right, now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of the booking. And you can see the response is here, and in this response you can see the clinic's name. Here you can see booked with this person, booked with this email, and here you can see the customer's name is Rafael Nadal, the customer's email is this, the mobile number, and all these things are here. Okay, now guys, what we want to send a confirmation message of this appointment to this person who have just booked an appointment with us. For that, we are going to send a message on WhatsApp, and before sending a message, let me show you that we have received this date time label here, in which we got the date of the booking and the time of the booking in this format. Okay, but this is not the standard format, and we are going to send the details of the date and time also in the booking message, in the appointment confirmation message. So we are going to change the format of this date time, and we are going to separate the date and time as well. For that, I am going to use this action step, and here I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So search for date time formatter from here, and in the action event select format date with time zone. Alright, then click on connect. Here it is asking which date you want to change the format of. So here I have received this label, date time label, so I am going to map it here. So just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and from this step only you can map the date time label. So when you map the date time label like this, what will happen whenever you receive any appointment in real time after setting up this automation, this date time label is going to change here, and a new date time label will be placed here, and the format will be changed automatically. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the data here. Here it is asking from which format you got the date. So you can see we got date in this format, YYMMDD, a T in between, hours, minutes and seconds. So this is already selected here, so need not to change anything here. Come to to format field, and now it is asking in which format you want to convert the date. So we want the date, guys, in this format. Let me show you. Just scroll down here and you will find this one, MMDDYY, hours, minutes and seconds format. Okay, select this one, MMDDYY. This is a standard format. Here it is asking from which time zone you got the time. So guys, we capture the time in UTC format, that means universally coordinated time format. So you have to select UTC from here, and in which format we want the time to be converted. We want the time to be converted to our time zone, that is I am working in India, so my time zone is Asia, Kolkata. So you have to select your time zone from here like this. Okay, so now you can see we have this format right now. It is showing 22nd 6/2022 and 5 o'clock, and actually I have booked the appointment at 10:30, right? But it is showing here 5 because the data got captured here is in UTC, that is universally coordinated time format, right? Now let me click on save and send test request and let's see what happens. And you can see now we got this result. Here the format of the date is changed completely. You can see previously it was this, now it was this 622-2022 in a change format, and previously the time was 5, now it is showing 10:30 in IST. Okay, that's how you can get the corrected data. Now I'm going to split this date and time to separately by clicking on this plus icon. Another actions tab will open up. From here I'm going to search for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Here it is selected, and in the action event select split text option, which is here. Then click on connect, and here it is asking which text that you want to split. So I want to split this result label, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to map it. Just click here, and from the second step map the result label. Here it is asking separator, so it is actually asking a word or a separator to split the text on. Okay, so I want this text to be splitted like this from this space. I want the time separately and the date separately. Okay, so we are using this space as a separator. So to put space as a separator, you just have to copy this and paste it here like this in double curly braces, right? Here it is asking the segment index, so it is asking you want the first segment or the last segment or the second last segment. You have many options here: first, second, last, second to last, all. So I want all things to be separated, so I'm selecting all here. Click on save and send test request, and now you can see we got two result labels here. In 0 result table we got the date, and here we got the time, right? Now I have sufficient details to compile a message and to send it to WhatsApp. Now to send a message on WhatsApp, just click here on this plus icon, and this actions tab will open up. From here, guys, search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. So Cloud API of WhatsApp is the recently launched feature of Facebook by which you can have the access of WhatsApp's API, that is application programming interface, so that you can connect your number on Cloud API and you can send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at once using this API feature, right? So if you want to know how to set up your Cloud API, how to connect your business number with the API, you can check the videos in the description and you will get to know everything about it. Okay, after that you can use it here. The action event would be send template message option. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection if you're making the connection with the Cloud API for the very first time. All right, and here you can give a name to this connection as well. Okay. And here it is asking for the permanent token of your Cloud API setup, the phone number ID and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things, you just can click here on this here word and you will reach this page, which is the forum of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com. And on this page you will find these two videos. First is for complete setup of Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Okay. Second is for how to generate a permanent access token of your Cloud API setup. And on this page you will find the instructions along with the screenshots for how to connect your Cloud API in the trigger or in the action, and you will find all the related details to the Cloud API setup here only. So you can check the page. For these three things I can show you my Cloud API setup, guys. So here I am under the developers for Meta for developers page. Here I have set up my Cloud API under this My Connect message app, and you can see I am under WhatsApp's getting started page. So in the getting started page you will get the temporary access tokens first, but these tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one. And if you want to know how to do that, you can check the forum page or you can check the videos in the description, right? So after generating the permanent token, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also for making the connections. And here in send and receive messages section, you can see we got this phone number ID. You can copy it from here and paste it here like this. And similarly, you will find the business account ID. You can copy that and paste it here. And if you got the permanent token generated, you have to paste it here, and after that click on save, and you will be connected with your cloud API setup, right? And guys, this connection that you are going to make by selecting add new connection option is going to be saved here in your account. Okay, so afterwards, if you want to make the connections again in a different workflow, you can use that existing connection that you have already have in your account. Like I can show you, I have already made the connection with my cloud API setup by this process in a different workflow previously. So now I can use that existing connection. Okay, so you can see I have this select existing connection option. Just check this, and here from the select connections, you will find the list of the connections that you have, and from here you can select any of your previous connections. So I am selecting this cloud API final one. Okay, and now I just have to click on save here, and you can see we are getting connected again. All right, so now it is asking for the message template's name. So let me tell you what our message template is first. Here you can see it is written to create your own message template. Click here. So just click on the here word, and you will reach this page, and these are the message templates I have created for various purposes. And the template I am using here is this one, appointment details, this one. Okay, so guys, this is a template I have created for sending the appointment detail confirmations. Like you can see here, this is the preview of our message. Hi Roger Binney, on this date at this time you have an appointment scheduled with us for your whatever the reason is. We look forward to see you 15 minutes in advance at this place, whatever the place is, from this team. Okay, so this is the kind of message that we are going to send. And here you can see in the message, in the body box, you can see I have this 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 integers in double curly braces, which are called the body fields or the variable tags of the message template. So you need to put these variables here so that you can change these things in a new message every time you send a message. Like the name of the patient, that is going to change with every new patient. The date and time, that is also going to change. The reason of appointment, that can be changed also. Here the venue, that can also change. So you can use the same standard message template for multiple reasons to send messages for multiple reasons to multiple people at once. Okay, so you have to create such a message template here first inside your cloud API setup, then get it approved from Facebook, then you can use it inside your workflow. Let me show you how you can create one. You can see I have this create message template button. Just click on it. Here you will find these 3 categories in which you can create a message template, like the transactional category, the marketing category, and the OTPs. So here you can select any of the category. Here I am selecting transactional, and here you can give any suitable name to this template. So I am just giving any name. Here you can select the language in which you want to send the message. Okay, after that just click on continue from this top right corner, and here you can see we got this header option. So in this header we can add a text in our message, or we can send a media, and in media you can send an image or a video or a document. So when you select any of this media, you have to attach a sample also here by clicking on this add sample button. In that sample you have to add any sample similar to which that you want to send actually in a new message. Okay, so by clicking on it you can add a sample here from your system, right? Here in the body box you have to type the main body of your message, so you can just type anything here like this. And here if you want to place that variable tags or the body fields to get these things change automatically with every new message, you can just click here on this add variable button, and the tag will be added here like this. Okay, it is as simple as that. Then you can add a footer and the call to action button also in your same template. After creating your template, you can watch the preview here, and after that click on submit and submit your template. So right now I'm canceling this, and after getting your template submitted, Facebook is going to review it and approve it in just a few minutes. After that you can use it to send messages. Here you can see it is asking to select the template, so here I'm going to select my template, which is here, appointment details. So after selecting the template, you can see the language code and the template ID is automatically filled up here. No need to do anything. Here it is asking for the recipient's phone number or the WhatsApp number of the person who have made the appointment. So guys, you will find the details of the customer here in the first step, where we have captured the test data, and in the test data you will find this label here, the custom field mobile number label. Here you can see the WhatsApp number. So I'm going to use this label, guys, to map the label here in this step. So just click here, and from this first tab map the label from this label. Okay, so when you map the number here, what will happen in real time, these labels are going to change with every new appointment, and a new message will be delivered to the new WhatsApp number. And the number should be placed here like this, with a country code like 91 for India and without any plus sign. Okay, so you have to take these numbers in this format only. Okay, now it is asking for the body field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So as I have already shown you that we have 6 body fields or the variables here in my message. So if you want to change these things automatically in a new message, you need to map the values of these things here in your workflow. Okay, that's how they are going to change. So let's start mapping. In the first field, I want to place the name of my customer. So customer's name is here. Let's check on this date at this time. So in the second and third, there should be the date and the time. So you'll find the date and time separated in this text formatter step in these results label like this. All right. And in the fourth body field, we are going to have the reason of the appointment. Okay, so you will find the reason for dental checkup. So the thing that you are going to put here manually is not going to change. This is going to be the same. Okay, the things that you map here are going to change. Here you can add the institute's name, the name of your business. So here I'm putting Royal Dental Clinic. That's what our example is. Right. Let's see what we need. Another thing. Okay, so in the sixth field, here you can also paste the same. All right. Now I'm going to show you how the message is going to look like by clicking on save and send test request. A test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number, and I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I can show you the message. So guys, I have clicked here on save and send test request, and this is the response I have received, and you can see we have received a new message also. Let us check what is in the message, and the new message is this: Hi Rafael Nadal, on this date at this time you have an appointment scheduled with us for your dental checkup. We look forward to seeing you 15 minutes in advance at Royal Dental Clinic from Royal Dental Clinic team. This is how it is going to work, guys. This is how you can send the appointment confirmation messages to your patients, to your customers automatically on WhatsApp. And we are done setting up the automation, and you need to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as your patient is going to make a booking or appointment from your appointment page, these messages are going to be delivered automatically to them. Okay, and you can focus on your work. And the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.